Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking towels. So I thought I found the perfect towels, but I'm going to give you a review of the Restoration Hardware Ultra Soft Turkish Towel Collection. It retails for $36 if you're a member and $49 if you're not a member of Restoration Hardware. It's tailored from fine 100% cotton terry cloth from Turkey. It is thick with 750 grams per square meter. It is dense of 1100 grams per square meter, exceptionally plush and absorbent. To maintain the quality and performance of the towels, avoid fabric softeners, bleaching agents, household cleaning products, and personal care products that contain benzoyl peroxide or alpha hydroxy acids. And it is made in Turkey. So, this is the towel. I got it in this color, but I also got it in white. I love white towels. They just look so clean. But sometimes you need towels that aren't white. What do I think? So I have tried their signature towels of I believe it's the 807. Now those are soft when you get them, but by the second wash, they're not soft anymore, just to be clear. These, I kept one, washing it once because you wash them before you use them. And I've washed this over 15, 20 times. Had this for a bit now. And I wanted to see the difference in the plushness. So, this towel, oh my gosh, it's soft, it's plush, it feels nice. It has a nice, you get this nice border. That's very simple, very simple. This towel, it is still absorbent, but it's just not as soft. I know I'm looking for that towel that just stays soft. So it's still absorbent and it's still nice and I still like it, but the softness went away pretty much. So I'm still on the hunt for the best one, that still keeps its plushness at least for I don't know, maybe a year. Am I pushing it? Am I asking for too much? Is it absorbent? Yes. Is it a nice towel? Yes. Is it soft still? It's not rough, but it feels more like the terry. No, it's just when you feel both of these together, it used to be so soft. And now it just isn't. So, and probably the funny thing is that if I didn't have this to compare it to, I would probably say, oh no, this is still pretty soft. It's okay. But no, it's a big difference. So I hope that helped you guys to figure out if you were looking at Restoration Hardware towels, and if you're looking at either of the 807 or these ones, that you kind of know that the plushness does pretty much go away. The absorbency is still really good though. So I hope that helps you guys. I still have not found the perfect towel. I did order some Wheezy, and I have a review for that one too that I need to put up, that I need to do and put up. So yeah, I hope that helps you guys. I will see you next time, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Yeah, I like them, but feeling the difference, this is still so soft and this just isn't. That's about it. It's not rough. It's just doesn't feel charming and luxurious and, yeah, it just feels like a normal towel. Yeah, a little disappointing, but I'm being a little towel snob, just to be clear.